Google just launched something called AI mode. And if you're still optimizing for just those blue links on the first page of Google, unfortunately, you are going to be left behind. Let me break it down and show you what smart digital marketers are doing right now to stay ahead of the curve. My name is Adam McChesney, and over the last 6 years, I've been running digital marketing for local service-based businesses and contractors, from website design to search engine optimization stuff with a Google Business Profile, as well as paid advertising on Google and Facebook. I've worked with over 500 businesses testing out the latest and greatest strategies, and I also own a few service-based businesses of my own. So let's go ahead and dive in and discuss what's actually happening. So Google is officially reimagining search. They've introduced a brand new experience called AI mode, and it's in the infancy stages, so some people have access to it and some people don't. But it is an absolute game changer. Instead of the typical usual 10 blue links that you'll see on the first page of Google when you type in a search, Google now gives users direct conversational answers using its AI model. It's fast, it's interactive, and it's designed to compete with tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and other LLMs. This rollout means that users won't be scrolling through your website like they used to. They'll be getting summarized answers right at the top without clicking. And for SEOs and marketers like myself, it changes everything. But for you as a local business owner, you need to make sure that you're ahead of the curve and or working with an agency like ourselves that's testing out a lot of different stuff and at the top of our game. So why does this matter to you? Google has owned over 90% of internet searches for decades, but that dominance is being challenged and challenged fast. Apple just announced it may make ChatGPT the default in Safari. Searches through Google are already dropping on Apple devices, and this is the first time that's happened in over 20 years. So that is why Google is fighting back. They have to. And so with AI mode and tools like AI overviews, which are already out there, those already have 1.5 billion monthly users. So here is the truth, and here's what you need to know. If you're still doing SEO the old way, you are going to be invisible in this new landscape. So here is what you must do, or what your marketers must do right now in order to get ahead of the game. You need to stop thinking like a traditional search engine optimization expert and start thinking like an AEO, which is answer engine optimization. And here's ultimately what that looks like. Number one, you have to shift from keywords like roofer near me to conversational queries. So best roofing company in St. Louis that offers financing. Those are the things people are typing into ChatGPT in order to get the answer that they're looking for to go hire the company that they're looking to hire. And in order to find more of those conversational queries, because you may be saying, Adam, that's great, but I have no idea what that is, you can use tools like Answer the Public or ChatGPT to find the real questions that people are asking and then write content that answers those. So a lot of people have been talking about for years, you need to add new content to your website, you need to write blogs, you need to do all those things. Yes, absolutely. But you need to have a multi-pronged approach. You need to go after the traditional keyword, but you also need to go after the query that people are typing in, the question that they're asking, so then that way your website provides them the answer that they're looking for. Now, number two is that format content for AI needs to be easily read and summarized, right? So you can do this by using headers, bullet points, short paragraphs, and direct answers. People don't want to be bouncing around trying to get the information that they're looking for, and this is not new. You need to be thinking about clarity over cleverness. Number three is using Schema Markup, and Schema has been impactful for our clients for years. But a lot of people still don't know what Schema is. They don't know how to utilize it. A lot of marketing agencies don't go to the extent of adding Schema to their client's website. So you can add Schema for FAQ, how-to, local business Schema. So that way you're able to tell Google exactly what your content means, not just what you believe it to mean or what you believe Google thinks about your content. Number 4 is building topical authority. That means publishing high quality content that's in depth on specific topics. So you want to go both deep and wide. You don't just want to be talking about roofing. You want to be talking about roofing company that offers financing, or roof repair, or storm damage, or commercial versus residential, or specifically the types of roofs that you offer. You want to become the expert that Google wants to quote. Because how these engines, these AI modes, these LLMs are actually showing search is they're citing and they're quoting specific things from websites. Number 5, you want to make sure that you are showing up literally everywhere. Google has always favored brands with a full digital presence. So we're talking social media channels, podcasts, PR mentions, and of course, a strong Google business profile. The more Google trusts your brand, the more likely you will be cited in AI responses. So here's the big opportunity. Whether you know it or not, whether you like it or not, the shift isn't coming, it's already here. And the businesses and marketers who adapt early will ultimately dominate search even in a post-click world, just as they did for the people that have been doing SEO for years, or the people that started doing SEO when SEO first came out. So this is your opportunity to lead the charge. So as a quick recap, make sure you're answering real questions. Make sure you structure your content like it's being read by AI, not necessarily your ideal client. You want to build your brand's digital footprint and stop optimizing for links and start optimizing for answers. If you're ready to lead the next era of SEO or be a part of the next era of SEO, this is exactly how you do it. If this video helped you at all, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Leave a comment below so then that way other people can learn about this video, understand really what this Google AI mode is all about and how you need to be thinking about this specifically. And if you have any questions about AEO or SEO with this Google AI mode, feel free to reach out to us. You can go over to adammcchesney.com, drop a contact form. We would love the opportunity to audit your current digital presence, explain a little bit about where things are at, show you some areas of opportunity, and see if it would be a good fit to partner with us. And you can also join our free Facebook group over on Facebook called Builders of Authority. Just type that into the search bar. You'll see links in the description below as well. And let's go build authority together.